Bear said, "Come with me out into the woods," and I decided to go
Going the wrong way.
And he was going the wrong way. Honestly, fuck this guy. Fuck you.
Meow, meow,
Oh, yeah.
meow, meow.
The hammer?
Meow, 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 meow. It's like double the size of your car.
Right? My garage is actually frozen, so do you mind if I like park my car like right next to my apartment?
Dude, it's your place, huh?
Yeah, okay, all right. Because like it's snowing really heavy. All right, we're here. Cool.
All right. Get the
Yeah,
beef
I
as
don't know
well.
if you've been ever called this before, but you're a hard cock savage. You know that?
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it.